Not all solar panels are created equal. Some will give you 25 years of reliable power. Others will start losing performance much sooner. So how do you choose the right brand when dozens on the market? Today, I'm breaking down the top global solar panel manufacturers, their strengths, weaknesses, and who they are best for. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source. We'll compare giants, LONGi plus premium brands. You'll know which panel brand fits your needs. Before we dive into the brands, here's what really matters when choosing solar panels: efficiency, temperature coefficient, degradation rate, warranty, technology. Jinko Solar is one of the largest solar manufacturers in the world. LONGi is a leader in monocrystalline technology. Trina is famous for its high-power Vertex series. JA Solar is known for efficient bifacial modules. Canadian Solar combines manufacturing with project development. First Solar is unique with thin film technology. Tongwei dominates solar cell production globally. Qcells is known for reliability and engineering. Astronergy quickly adopt CON technology. Let's discuss premium and high efficiency. REC delivers premium European panels. They offer an excellent temperature coefficient and very high efficiency. However, they are expensive. Maxeon offers some of the most efficient panels in the world. Pros include industry-leading efficiency and long warranties. The only con is that they are very expensive. Let's break it down simply. Best overall are LONGi or Jinko Solar. For high efficiency, choose Maxeon or REC. Best value is JA Solar or Canadian Solar. There's no one-size-fits-all solar panel. If you want the best performance, go premium. If you want value, choose trusted mid-range brands. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me which solar panel brand you're using or planning to install, and I'll see you in the next video.